So, good day, ma'am. So, today we'll be talking about the engine room, machineries, and etc. And so, today we will be talking about what is inside the engine room. So, first of all, what is engine room? So, have you ever wondered where do machineries put inside the a vessel? So, in engine room, it is usually located near the bottom at the rear of the vessel and comprise few compartments. So, there are many compartments inside it. This is designed to maximize the cargo carrying the capacity of vessel and situates the prime mover close to the propeller, minimizing equipment costly and problems posed in a shaft line. So have you seen the in the photo or what we are presented photo? You can see that main engine is near the propeller or rear aft. So inside the engine room, there are different types of machineries and kinds of machineries, and the machineries and auxiliary machineries. So, what are these machineries, and what are their purpose? So, inside the engine room, there are the includes the pump, compressors, blowers, and freshwater generator, and etc. This is used for cooling system. Different kinds of system also in engine room for supplying starting system to the main engine. So without that, next we'll be moving to different types of machineries. So the first one is the freshwater generator. So once in a while or once in your life, you have asked, where do seafarers get their water? So since we are surrounded, the seamen are surrounded with seawater, so they get their water by using the freshwater generator. The freshwater generator is used to uh, to virate. Wait for a while. To convert seawater to fresh water by the process of distillation. That's it. So distillation. After that, it is used to for taking a bath, cleaning dishes, and etc. Next one is the air compressors. So air compressor is one of the most important machinery on board. And as you can see in the video, all of those things need to be maintained. So inside the main engine, from the word itself, the main engine, without air compressor, it will not run. It will not work. So basically, air compressor is very important. Presenter will be batch Baylosis.
Thank you, Batch. Today, ma'am, I'm talking about boiler. Boiler is to either produce hot water or steam. Hot water boilers heat water for the purpose of domestic or commercial heating and hot water supply. Steam boilers generate steam in order to power turbines for power generation and various other industrial heating applications. So there are two types of engine, the two and four stroke engines are engines that combine elements from both two-stroke and four-stroke engines. They usually incorporate two pistons in the in the machine. Next is two two-stroke engine. What is a two-stroke engine? A two-stroke engine is an engine that completes a power cycle with two strokes of the piston during only one crankshaft revolution. Next is what is a four-stroke engine? A four-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. So next reporter is Batch Dalin. Batch.
So the next we have a purifier. A high-speed centrifugal purifier is installed on a ship to get rid of unwanted contaminants and pollutants from the lube oil. On ships, separate marine purifiers are used for fuel and lube oil. Lube oil is purified only through centrifugation, meanwhile the fuel oil is can be purified by through both centrifugation and gravity. Next we have is the emergency generator. Emergency generator means a stationary combustion device such as a reciprocating internal combustion engine or turbine that serves solely as a secondary source of mechanical or electrical power. Whenever the primary electrical energy is disrupted or discontinued during a power outages and or the natural disasters that are beyond the control of the operator or the captain of the ship.
Batch Oli.
The next is the types of system. First is the bala system. The bala system is used to transfer into the ballast tanks located throughout the ship. The system usually consists of centrifugal pumps that are connected to ballast system fill and suction manifolds. On tankers, the ballast system is divided with only those ballast tanks aft and of the engine room served by the bilge system, while the ballast system forward of the engine room is completely separated from the bilge system. The second one is the bilge system. The bilge systems are used to remove water from the tank top or bilges in the machineries, spaces, and other components throughout the ship. Bilge systems are divided to handle clean and oily bilge water. The next one is the clean bilge system. The clean bilge system uses manifold valves that branch to suction in the spaces that service two centrifugal pumps are required, but those pumps may also use for seawater service. Centrifugal bilge pump must be primed in order to operate. The fourth one is oily bilge system. It is usually operates automatically with low capacity flow controlled pumps that are soon as well as the most full. The oily bilge bilge pump can can suctions lines a linear motion valve which regulates the flow of fluid that the valve has globe shaped body that house valves it and that this that's all.
That's all. Batch Paloma.
So, uh, so we already talk about the different kinds of machinery, the basic. And so just to remind that it depends upon it varies upon the ship that you are on board, because there are certain vessel that needs a lot of machineries. It requires a lot of machineries because it has a bigger size. So the more machineries they need. So if that matters is really important, we need to consider that one because it will help the vessel run properly and functionally. So that's all for
You
That's all.
whisper
Thank you, ma'am.
good morning